everyone, I hope you're all doing great this week. My banner song is My Way by Frank Sinatra. It just sounds really determined and upbeat, and it's a good thing to listen to if you've got like a big task ahead of you that you just want to crush. Also, it feels really Christmassy just because we always listen to his record around Christmas time. So all of his songs sound pretty Christmassy to me. I guess my favorite line would be where he says he's maybe bitten off more than he can chew, but he still eats it up and spits it out. So even if you do take on too much at one go, that doesn't mean you can't still smash it. He also says he does have regrets, but too few to mention, meaning that it's best to go for things because chances are you won't regret it. Okay, well, I hope you guys will have a listen, although I'm sure you guys have all heard of this one before, and I look forward to seeing what the rest of you guys shows.